Located at the corner of John and King Street West in downtown Toronto, rising above the home of the Toronto International Film Festival, welcome to the Festival Tower Condos at 80 John Street. Totally upgraded, Unit 4002 in this luxury high-rise is a two-bedroom condo with a den showcasing $50,000 in builder upgrades with tens of thousands more spent on top of that. A corner unit, this condo has over 1,250 square feet of living space, 9-foot ceilings with modern light fixtures and pot lighting, high-quality hardwood flooring, and floor-to-ceiling windows for bright natural light, as well as amazing cityscape and sunset views. Equally functional as it is beautiful, the kitchen showcases cabinetry with a high-gloss veneer and modern drawer and door pulls, high-end appliances including a built-in cooktop, stainless steel fridge and oven, as well as a dishwasher paneled to blend with the cabinetry, a horizontal stacked tiled backsplash, and quartz counters with breakfast seating and a stainless steel double undermount sink. The open concept layout of the kitchen, dining, and living rooms creates a wonderful entertainment area, while each space has its own distinct feel of room separation and with little nooks for decorative personalization. With west and south-facing views, the windows in the principal spaces have light-diffusing remote-controlled blinds, and the west window gives a fantastic view of downtown Toronto as well as spectacular evening sunsets. Toronto's vibrant downtown can also be appreciated from the south-facing windows, and just off the dining area is one of two walkouts onto a large 6 by 32-foot south-facing balcony that gives you unobstructed views of Lake Ontario, the Rogers Centre, and Toronto's iconic tourist attraction, the CN Tower. Across the street from the Entertainment District's Restaurant Row, almost anything you need is a short walk from the building's front entrance. Streetcar service, the St. Andrew subway station, and Union Station for getting around the city, food marts, banks, and other daily conveniences, while essential professional services, community facilities, as well as hospitals are also close at hand. This unit also features a large double coat closet with organizers, as well as a laundry area with stacked washer and dryer, both off the front entry hallway. And since the living area and both bedrooms are placed further away from other units, this condo enjoys reduced noise interference, giving it a soundproof-like atmosphere. Both bedrooms are quite spacious and have remote-controlled blackout blinds on their windows, with the second bedroom having a west-facing exposure and featuring a walk-in closet complete with custom organizers. The two washrooms are fully upgraded, with the main washroom featuring a modern vanity, tiled walls and floor, as well as a glass shower with rain and handheld shower heads. The south-facing master bedroom is quite generous in its size, and has the second of the two walkouts onto the balcony. Its two double closets have mirrored sliding doors and custom organizers, while its ensuite washroom showcases a vanity with stone counter, tiled walls and floor, as well as a bath area with a soaker tub and sliding glass shower doors. Festival Tower residents are granted special privileges during the Toronto International Film Festival and have direct interior access from the condo building to the Tiff Bell Lightbox Theatre and the O&B restaurant. Festival Tower also has its own private 55-seat cinema, and other exceptional amenities include 24-hour concierge and security, fitness and yoga facilities, a meeting room, party room, and business center, an outdoor patio with barbecues, underground parking, an indoor pool, hot tub, and sauna, as well as guest suites. While the entertainment district is home to many of the finest restaurants, entertainment venues, shops, and attractions that Toronto has to offer. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.